Hello, my name is Kuljit Sodhi. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Bonjour. I'm a mask artist. In general, with mask, I offer songs and dance and a cultural experience from East India. In my workshop, you will experience different types of beats in music and also many, many movements in the style of folk dancing and Bollywood dancing. These cultural links are very important for me to share with students and communities because I bring the music and dance and the cultural aspect of what is a turban and how I tie it. I'm just using this mirror to just finish my hair. These are my hair tied up on the top. What I really love about sharing what I bring to students and community is that everyone really smiles and they enjoy this music, and there's always joyful giggling. One of my favorite part, amongst many, is that when the kids come up and talk to me and try to share this culture with me, and I love sharing, and because of the diversity in Canada, it's just beautiful to share that with them.